Hey guys, I'm Daviona and I'm a Canadian County OSU Extension Intern. I've had the privilege of working with 4-H all over Canadian County, and this is just one of the activities that we were able to do. This is a pollinator hydration station / pollinator feeder. And for materials, you're gonna need 2 4-foot long strings. You'll need a mason jar, a piece of a sponge, and a piece of tape. You will need a hole in the top of your mason jar, so you can use a knife or you can use a hammer and a nail, or you can actually, however you would like to put the hole in the top, you will need this. So to start, you will tie your string around the top of your jar, and you will double knot it, otherwise your string will slip. So you'll tie your first piece of string on one side of the jar, and then you'll turn it and you'll tie your other piece of string to the other side. And once again, you are going to double knot, otherwise your string will slip. Okay, and once that's done, you're going to turn your jar over, and the goal is to secure the jar with the string as much as you can. So you can tie it upwards, you can tie the string upwards just like this, or you can wrap the string around just to get as much security as you possibly can. I'm gonna single knot it on this side, but I will double knot it on the other side so that the string can stay. Then you will do this again on the other side with the other piece of string. Once you have that double knotted, you're going to pull your strings upwards, because this will be how you will hang your pollinator station. At this point, you're going to take your piece of tape and you'll secure both ends of your string onto the jar. You can have a friend help you with this part. This is the bulk of your pollinator feeder. Then you will take your piece of sponge and you will push it through your hole and pull all the way down to the middle so that your sponge is distributed evenly within the top of your pollinator feeder. Then you add whatever solution you would like. This is where you can use plain water, distilled water, tap water. You can put in sugar water. They have butterfly and bee nectars that you can add to this. You will add that, and then you will add your lid, flip your pollinator feeder over, and at this point it will drip slowly so that your pollinators will be able to drink or hydrate themselves from the end. This is just an example of one that one of our kids did, and she decorated it with some pretty stickers and did her own thing. You can also add beads. You want to add as many colors as you can to attract the pollinators to the pollinator feeder. Okay. So this is just an important craft. It's a small little cute craft that you can do with your kids at home, or you can do just as an activity. It's a great way to hydrate your pollinators. It is still very hot here in Oklahoma, so we want to find a different way to make sure that our pollinators are fed and hydrated so that your garden blooms the best that it can.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.